Imagine, while you sleep, an artificial intelligence analyzes the stock market, finds the best investments, and earns money for you. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if that's only half the truth? What if this technology isn't just an opportunity, but a silent revolution already raging on Wall Street? A revolution that could soon make everyday investors like you and me obsolete? AI is changing everything, and most people have no idea of the true scale. In this video, we're exposing what's really happening behind the scenes and showing you how to use the rules to your advantage instead of being crushed by the wave. Make sure you stick around until the end, because what you learn today could decide whether you become one of the winners in this new financial world or one of the losers. At step number 1, forget everything you think you know about traditional investing. Because while the media is still debating the basics of AI, an invisible takeover is happening behind the closed doors of Wall Street. Financial giants like BlackRock or Renaissance Technologies, names that move the global economy, have long been using machine learning and algorithmic trading. Their AI systems aren't simple programs. They are digital predators. They analyze billions of data points in seconds. Every news report, every market movement, even the sentiment on social media is scanned to spot trends long before a human analyst can even perceive them. This isn't a topic for the future. This is the harsh reality of today, and they have an insurmountable lead. But now, this technology is slowly leaking out to the public, and that's changing the game for everyone. At step number 2. So, how does this affect you? This leaked technology is now packaged into tools promising to give you, the private investor, the same superpower as the giants on Wall Street. You've probably heard the names whispered in forums or hyped on social media: FinGPT, AutoGPT, or TradeGPT. Platforms like 3Commas or Pionex offer automated trading bots that analyze market data around the clock and make lightning-fast decisions for you. It sounds like the ultimate cheat code. But here's the truth they don't want you to know. These tools are not a magic wand. Without a deep understanding of the market, you're not leveling the playing field. You're just playing a faster game with your money. The advice is clear. These tools are no miracle cure. You should always test with small amounts or a demo account before you invest real cash. Because if you think that's risky, wait until you see what happens when AI gets combined with the most volatile market on the planet. At step number 3. That market, of course, is crypto. The crypto world is famously volatile, with prices swinging wildly in a matter of minutes. For most human traders, that's a recipe for anxiety and financial ruin. But for an AI, it's the perfect hunting ground. This is because AI bots can react with incredible speed. While you're still processing a price chart, many automated crypto traders, powered by artificial intelligence, have already executed dozens of trades, profiting from price fluctuations that are almost invisible to the human eye. This combination of AI and crypto has created a new high-speed battlefield, an explosive alliance where fortunes are made and lost in milliseconds. But what if you're not a high-risk trader? What if you want to use AI to make money without betting on the chaos of the market? It turns out there's another way to profit from this revolution, one that most people completely overlook. At step number 4. This secret method has nothing to do with the stock market. It's about turning AI into your own personal content factory. Using AI, you can automatically create all kinds of digital products, like ebooks, newsletters, stock analyses, or even complete YouTube videos. You can then earn money from this content through affiliate links, advertising, or product sales. But here's the best part: many of these tools are free or incredibly cheap, making it a low-risk goldmine where you can profit from the AI boom without risking a single dollar in the market. This is a powerful strategy, but it requires a different kind of thinking. And if you're willing to go one step deeper, there's a specific skill you can learn that the financial elite are desperately hoping you don't discover. At step number 5. That skill is data analysis. While it might not sound as exciting as automated trading, this is what truly levels the playing field. It's the ability to look at complex financial data and see the truth for yourself. And data analysis is considered a top skill for 2025 if you want to learn how to really use AI. The best part? You don't need a degree in computer science to do it. With powerful and accessible tools like ChatGPT, Python, or even Excel, you can analyze complex financial data on your own. Master this, and you open up a whole new career path. As a freelancer or consultant, people who master this skill can earn 4 or even 5-figure sums monthly. The opportunities are immense, but it's not all smooth sailing. There's a dark side to relying on AI, a pitfall that can wipe out even the smartest investors if they're not paying attention. At step number 6. With all this potential, there are also some serious pitfalls. This is the part that gets glossed over in all the hype. For all its power, AI has a dark side. AI systems can and do make mistakes, especially if they are fed the wrong data or if they overreact during extremely volatile market phases. This can lead to catastrophic losses. That brings us to the most important rule of all. Use AI as a powerful tool, but always understand what is behind it. You must combine automation with your own common sense. If you can do that, then nothing can go wrong. The financial world is at the beginning of a massive transformation, and you have the chance to be a part of it from the very beginning. The financial world is at the beginning of a massive transformation, and you can be a part of it from the start. Anyone who understands how AI works and where the opportunities lie today will be at the forefront in the future. If you liked this video, subscribe to the channel for more content on finance, AI, and digital strategies. And now, I'm interested in your thoughts. Do you already use AI in your daily life or for investing? Let me know in the comments. I'm excited to see them. Until next time, stay smart.